Ahoy there, me hearties. Welcome to this week's episode of Curbside Crafting. So this week at Storytime, it's one of our very favorite weeks. We are talking about pirates. Yes, I know it's one of your favorites too. So the craft that we are making this week to go along with our pirates theme is a cute parrot, because of course every pirate has to have a parrot, right? So when you come in to do either your curbside checkout, or if you're going to come in and browse the shelves and do express checkout, here's what you're going to get to take home with you. You are going to get a paper plate, one googly eye, and some cool bright red yarn for its tail feathers. This is a very, very simple one to put together. What you're going to need, in addition to your supplies, you will need, of course, crayons. Parrots come in all kinds of beautiful, vibrant colors, so use your imagination and make it whatever color you like. The only thing I would say is you probably want to make sure that the beak is either yellow or orange, but there are no rules when it comes to pirate parrots. You can make it whatever color you like. You will need some glue, either a glue stick or Elmer's glue, to attach your googly eye, scissors, of course, to cut your paper plate right in half, and a stapler to hold the whole thing together. It's fairly simple. All I did was cut this plate exactly down the center into two separate pieces. I colored it. I did mine red and green, but like I said, yours could be any color of the rainbow. And then once I had it all colored, I put one staple right here and one staple right here just along the edge to hold those two pieces together. I glued on the googly eye, and then I glued the little tail feathers to the back. So you'll just take your long strand and maybe cut it into 3 or 4 pieces, however long you'd like those to be, to attach its little tail feather. So voila, you instantly have a very cool parrot friend that can perch on your shoulder, and you can be a real pirate. September 19th is Talk Like a Pirate Day, me hearties. So ahoy, avast, all those other very cool pirate words. I hope you are celebrating with your cute parrot. I'll see you later. Bye.